Hello friends, hope you are all doing good. So as discussed, we are going to start with the missing frequency in the mode. Okay, so if there are missing frequencies in the mode, how we are going to find out. So now look into the question, the mode of the following frequency distribution of 165 observation. How many observation are there? 165 observation. And the mode is 34.5. Okay, that is more important. See, the mode of the following distribution is 34.5, whose observation, total number of observation is 165. Okay, find the value of A and B. So the class is written 5 to 14, then 14 to 23, then 23 to 32. So it is continuous. Okay, so there is a difference of 9. You can see 14 minus 5, that is 9. 23 minus 14, that is 9. And you can see the frequencies. In that, there is a value is there and there is a B value is there. Okay, so these two values you are needed to find out. The mode is already given. You are needed to find out the value of A and B. So looking into the answer, the first thing, okay, the most important thing is here the mode is given. Mode is given as 34.5. So 34.5, देखो यहाँ पर कौन से क्लास के बीच में आ रहा है? Okay, 34.5 किसके बीच में आएगा? It is coming in between what 32 and 41. So this is the most important thing, even in mean, median, and mode. Okay, three of the condition: mean, median, and mode. Remember, whenever the mean, median, or mode is given. Okay, so 34.5. So it is in which class, that is more important. So ये class जो होएगा, that is the model class or median class or anything. Remember that thing. Okay, so 34.5 is between 32 and 41. So this is the model class. So model class का lower limit होएगा आपका L value, that is 32. मॉडल क्लास के सामने जो वैल्यू होएगा वो होएगा F1, उसके ऊपर जो होएगा F0 और उसके नीचे जो होएगा F2. So you know that the basic rule of that. So L value written F1, F0, F2, and H. H you can see 14 minus 5, that is 9. 23 minus 14, 9. So 9 is the H value. So the next thing, you're adding all this thing, you're getting 95 plus A plus B. A or B have साथ में तो A plus B ला. Total observation आपको question में बोला हुआ है. It is said that it is how much? 165. So 95 plus A plus B is equal to 165. 95 you're taking it to the right hand side. So plus will become minus. So 165 minus 95. So A plus B is equal to how much? It is 70. So you got this much. Okay, now going into the mode, Z is equal to the formula L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So Z value, mode, it is given that 34.5. So I'm writing it here. Then L value, it is given that is what, 32. So writing 32. Then F1 is 53. F0 is A. Then 2 into F1, so 2 into 53 minus A and minus B into H value is 9. Now, as we did earlier also, first you have to take this 32. 32 you have to take in the left hand side. So plus will become minus. So 34 minus 34.5 minus 32 equal to 53 minus A, and 2 into 53 is how much? 106. Now look here, here it is minus A and minus B. So can I take minus as common? So I'm taking minus as common. So अंदर क्या आ जाएगा? A plus B. See, minus A, then minus into minus will become what? Plus. So plus into minus will become here minus. So that's why it is correct. So minus we are taking as common into 9. That is the H value. Now 34.5 minus 32, that is 2.5. Now see this taking common, that is more important. Okay, remember you can do only in this method. Okay, so minus common you have to take A plus B. So 2.5 equal to 53 minus A upon 106 minus A plus B के जगह अभी देखो यहाँ पर हमने क्या लिया था? A plus B is equal to कितना लिया है? 70, and equation number 1. So you are substituting this A plus B value into here. So that is how you are getting this 70 value. Okay, so 70, 106 minus 70 into 9. Now going into the next, so 2.5 is equal to 53 minus A upon 36. 36, that is 106 minus 70, that is 36. Okay, into 9. 9, then 9 ones are 9 fours are. Then you are taking this 4 upside. So 2.5 into 4, that is 10. Then 53 minus A. 53 minus A. ये minus A को इस तरफ लेके जा रहे हैं. That will become what? Plus A. एंड प्लस 10 को बाजू में लेके जाओगे तो क्या आएगा -10. So A is equal to 53 minus 10, then A is equal to 43. Now again from the equation 1 itself, equation 1 as we solved it here, that is A plus B is equal to 70. A plus B 70 है, A का वैल्यू आपको कितना मिला है 43. So 43 plus B is equal to 70. 43 उस तरफ लेके जा रहे हैं, so plus will become minus. So B is equal to 70 minus 43, that is B is equal to 27. This is how you are getting the value of A and you are getting the value of B. So this is the mod in the mode, the missing frequency. This is how it has been found. Remember only one thing, whatever is the mode that you have to find out. First you have to find out the model class. So 34.5 is between 32 and 41. So that's why the model class 32 and 41. Okay, so that's how I've given a star here, because this is the most important step. Even in median, the same way it will be coming. Remember that thing. Okay, now going into our next topic, median. Okay, now you have learned last year about ungrouped data. Okay, ungrouped data. See now here, if you count the number of people standing here, okay, now it is 13. Okay, that is 13 numbers are there. Now you know 13 is an odd or even. It is obviously it is a odd. Now if you calculate this one, okay, if you calculate the number of persons here, you will find it here, it is 16. Okay, so there are 13 persons here and there are 16% here. When it is 13, okay, when it is odd, you have to remember n plus 1 upon 2. Already you learned it last year. I asked you to revise it also. N plus 1 upon 2. When n value is odd, you have to remember the formula n plus 1 upon 2. Now, what will happen when it is n is, when the number of observation is it is even. It is what? N upon 2 plus n upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. That is mean of this. N upon 2 यानी कितना होएगा? 16 upon 2 कितना होएगा? 8. And n upon 2 plus 1, that is 16 upon 2, that is 8 plus 1, that is what? 9. 8th और 9th observation जो है उसका mean 8 plus 9 divided by 2. That is how you are finding out if it is a even. And odd हो तो क्या करना है? 13 plus n plus 1 upon 2, that is 13 plus 1 is what? 14. 14 divided by 2, that is 7. So 7th one is the median. Okay, so I'm just making revises. If an n is odd, then it is what? N plus 1 divided by 2. If n is even, then what? N upon 2 plus n upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, first you have to arrange it in which order? Ascending order or descending order. Any way you have to arrange it. Okay, ascending or descending order, you have to arrange it and do it. So this is how ungrouped data are calculated. Now going into the next, that is the group data. Okay, now group data, you are needed to learn about a new concept called cumulative frequency. Okay, cumulative frequency यानी सबको add करना, एक को add करना, that is cumulative frequency. Now there are two types of cumulative frequency. One is more than cumulative frequency or less than cumulative frequency. In all the sums, in all the sum, normally whichever formulas apply, we are using the less than cumulative frequency. Okay, even though you for the OG, for the graph and all, you are needed to find out the more than cumulative frequency also. So you have to understand both the concept first. Okay, so now just taking your class condition. If there are 35 students, okay, 35 students are there in your class. Okay, 35 students are group data किया हुआ है. यहाँ पर देखो class लिखा है और number of students लिखा है. अभी 0 to 10 marks मिलने वाले. Okay, 0 to 10 marks मिलने वाले कितने students से? 2 students से. 10 to 20 marks मिलने वाले कितने students से? 4 students. 20 to 30 मिलने वाले कितने students है? 10 students are there. 30 to 40, how many students are there? 15 students are getting 30 to 40 उनके बीच में. So सबसे ज़्यादा 30 to 40 में सबको marks मिल रहे हैं. And 40 to 50, how many have we got? That is only 4 students have got it. Okay, so the total, if you calculate 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 10 is 16, 16 plus 15 is what? 31, 31 plus 4 is 35. So 35 students are them and their marks, according to the marks, it has been substituted. Now first we are going to tell about more than cumulative frequency. Okay, more than cumulative frequency. Now remember यहाँ पर more than, okay, more than 0. अभी 0 से ज़्यादा मार्क मिलने वाले कितने जगह? अभी सबको 0 से ज़्यादा ही मिला होगा ना, है ना? More than 0 ही सबको मिला है ना, right? Everyone got more than 0, right? So all the students are getting more than 0. So the number of how much it will be 35. क्लियर है इतना? मोर देन 0 सबको मिलेगा, तो दैट्स व्हाई मोर देन 0 मार्क्स कितने जन को है? 35 स्टूडेंट्स को है. ओके, नेक्स्ट मोर देन 10. ओके, मोर देन 10 मिलने वाले. अभी 10 से ज्यादा मिलने वाले कौन है? 10 to 20, मतलब यहां से ये बाकी जितना है इतने जन को मिला है. यानी कि क्या होएगा, या फिर इतना कर सकते हैं ना, 35 माइनस 2 कर दे. देखो 10 से ज्यादा मिलने वाले हैं, 10 to 20. ये 0 to 10 तो क्या है? 10 से कम मिलने वाले. 10 मोर देन 10 यानी 10 से ज्यादा. 10 से ज्यादा यानी क्या होएगा? फ्रॉम 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. तो ये इतने को आपको प्लस करना है. ये इतने को प्लस करना, या फिर देखो इतने को प्लस करेंगे तो कितना मिलेगा देखते हैं. 4 plus 10 is what? 14. 14 plus 15. 14 plus 15 is 29. 29 plus 4, it is what? 33. So 33 you got it. Either you can do it in this way, 33 आप एक एक करके ऐड कर सकते हो, या फिर क्या कर सकते हो, पूरा आपको पता है कितना है? 35. 35 में से कितना माइनस करना होगा? माइनस कितना करना होगा? 2 करना है. तो 35 minus 2 is what? 33. क्लियर है दिस थिंग? नाउ नेक्स्ट, मोर देन 20. अभी 20 से ज्यादा, अभी 20 से ज्यादा यानी 20 to 30, यहां से ये इतना ही होएगा ना, राइट? ये इतने को ही मिला है. सो आइदर यू कैन व्हाट 35 माइनस ये इतना करना है, ओके, या फिर आप 33 माइनस 4 कर दोगे तो भी मिल जाएगा. और यू कैन प्लस ऑल दिस. 10 plus 15 is how much? 25. 25 plus 4, 29. So you got it 29 here. Exactly this thing. Or you can do it what? आपको पहले कितना मिला? 33 मिला. ये 33 को माइनस कितना करना है आपको? 4 करना है. 33 minus 4. That is the easy way. 33 minus 4. नेक्स्ट, मोर देन 30. 30 से ज्यादा मिलने वाले कितने जन? अभी देखो 30 से ज्यादा कितना मिलने वाला है? ये देखो ये इतना ही, ये 2 ही है. 15 plus 4. 15 plus 4 कितना है? 19. So 15 plus 4, 19. Or you can do what? 29 minus the before one, that is 10. Is that clear? Then after that more than 40. more than 40 मिलने वाले कितने? खाली 4 ही जन है, आपको पता है. Okay, so you can write it directly 4, or you can write it what? 19 minus the previous one. 19 minus 15. Is that clear this thing? So this table is very important, this both side. Remember in this more than 0, 10, 20, always in more than we are taking the lower limits. Okay, the values of lower limit only. Look here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So sometimes in question they will give this section, more than 0, more than 10, more than 20, more than 30, more than 40, and the more than CF they will give you. So you have to make it into this order, the left side order you have to make it, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, then the number of students. So how you'll be finding out that? Okay, now look here, more than 0, you have to understand that here it will be the lower limit. तो यहाँ पर पहले 0 लिख देंगे. So here it is, let's see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 40. So that is 10, 10 difference is there. So what you will do? 0 to 10. Then the next lower limit is what? 10. Then 10 to 20. Then 20 to 30. 30 to 40. 40 to 50. See here, more than 40. So here it is, lower limit is given 40. So the upper limit will be 10 more. That is 50. Is that clear this much? So this is how you are finding out the class. Class is easy to find out. Now next, how to get 2. Okay, now देखो more than में ये बड़ा है, याद रखो बड़ा है, तो first minus second. more than में याद रखना है first minus second. Okay, 35 minus 33, that is what? 2. Then second minus third, 33 minus 29, that is how much? 4. Then third minus 4, so 29 minus 19, how much it is? 10. Then 19 minus 4, 19 minus 4 is how much? 15. Okay, 19 minus 4, 15. And the last is what? 4 itself. Okay, last में जो है वो same ही आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है. Okay, last will be the same. Clear this much? Okay, now going into the next, the more important, less than. Okay, sorry, it is less than. Okay, now less than cumulative frequency, see less than CF. Okay, now in the same way the marks is given and the students is given. Now remember in more than we were using the lower limit, so in less than it will be which one? The upper limit. So less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50. अब देखो यहाँ पर अभी ये ना हिंदी में आप सोचो 10 मार्क्स से कम मिलने वाले, 10 मार्क्स से कम मिलने वाले कितने बच्चे होंगे? 2 बच्चे. Correct? So less than CF is how much? 2. Okay, then less than 20, 20 मार्क्स से कम मिलने वाले कितने जने? 20 मार्क्स से कम मिलने वाले कितने जने? ये इतना है ना, राइट? सो 20 मार्क्स से कम ये दो सेक्शन को मिला, दैट इज 2 + 4 इज हाउ मच? 6. क्लियर इज थिंग? नाउ लेस देन 30, लेस देन 30, ओके, लेस देन 30 कितना बच्चे? ये इतने जन को मिला है, दैट इज 2 + 4 + 10. ओके, 2 + 4 is what? Already we got it, what? 6. So 6 + 10 कितना होएगा? 16. Clear as thing? So this is 16. Now less than 40, less than 40, already we got it, this much is what? 16 है. तो 16 के साथ कितना प्लस करना होगा? 16 के साथ आपको 15 प्लस करना होगा. तो 16 के साथ 15 प्लस करोगे तो कितना मिलेगा? 31. Now less than 50, 50 से कम मिलने वाले, 50 से कम तो सबको ही मिलेगा ना, राइट? क्योंकि सबको ही 50 से कम, 50 या 50 से कम ही मिलेगा, तो ये पूरा क्लास होगा. तो कितने बच्चे पूरे स्कूल में? 35. याद रखो, मोर देन 0 सबको मिलेगा, तो उसमें फर्स्ट में था 35. ओके, लेस देन में लेस देन 50 सबको मिलेगा. ओके, 50 लेस देन और इक्वल टू 50 सबको मिलेगा, तो ये लास्ट में क्या होगा? 35. इज दैट क्लियर दिस मच? सो लेस देन में याद रखो, इट विल, sorry, there was a disturbance here in the net, sorry. Now less than, remember one thing, that you have to add all the frequencies. So first में 2 होएगा, फिर 2 + 4, that is 6, then 4 + 10, 16, 2 + 4 + 10, that is 16, then 16 + 15, that is 31, then 31 + 4. So that is how you are getting. Okay, now also if you have to remember that the class how it has been made. Okay, less than हमेशा याद रखो कि 10 जो होगा अपर लिमिट होगा, so 10 to 20, so there is a difference of 10, so 10 से -10 करना है, so 10 से -10 कितना आएगा? 0. so 0 to 10, then it will be 10 to 20, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. So it is the upper limits. Okay, now how to find out the CF? CF से आपको frequency में कैसे आना? The students is the frequency, और ये less than cumulative frequency. So ये CF है और ये आपका F है. Okay, this one is your F. Okay, F is there. Sorry. So this one F सिग्नल है यहाँ पर, ये आपका, ये और आपका CF है. तो CF से F मिलने के लिए मोर देन में आपने क्या किया था? फर्स्ट माइनस सेकेंड. ओके, फर्स्ट बड़ा है और सेकेंड छोटा है. नाउ इसके अंदर याद रखना है सेकेंड माइनस फर्स्ट. easily you can see the second one is bigger and the first one is smaller. So second minus first. So 6 minus 2. Sorry, first one is 2 minus 0. That is 2 itself. The second one is 6 minus 2. Sorry, 6 minus 2. Then it was what? 16 minus 6. 16 minus 6 is what? 10. 31 minus 16, that is 15. Then 35 minus 31, that is 4. Okay, so that is how it has been calculated. So याद रखो CF कैसे calculate करना है और CF से कैसे F में आना है. Okay, one more time I'm telling. CF के लिए first one same you have to write it. Second one के लिए ये 2 + 4 करो, 6 मिलेगा. Okay, then 6 plus the next one is the frequency is 10, so 10 you're writing it here. Then 16 plus 15 है तो 15 लिख दिया, and you're getting it. Accordingly you're getting it. Now going into a before going into the sum, let's look in the formula of median. Okay, median के अंदर देखो, median और mode के अंदर somewhat is same, L और H, that is same itself. Okay, दोनों में L और H आ रहा है. Okay, then L and H is same. Then उसके बाद plus n upon 2, n यानी total number. Okay, total number of frequency. Okay, total number, देखो total number of students कितना है? 35. That is the last one here जो है वो है n value. Okay, then n upon 2 यानी 35 divided by 2 minus CF. ये CF और F कौन सा लेना है? That is the main thing in the median. Okay, the main thing in median is to find out the CF and the F, और उससे ही बाकी सब मिलेगा. Okay, now look here. L यानी lower limit of the median class. N यानी number of observation. CF यानी cumulative frequency of a class preceding the median class. Okay, preceding the median class. Now F is the frequency of the median class. H is the class size. That is the same thing. Now we'll go into the first question. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers. How many consumers are there? 68. So if you total the consumers, you will get it how much? 68. Find the median, mean, and mode of the data and compare them. Okay. Now you know how to find out the mean and mode. Is that clear? You can find out that mean and mode. I'll be doing here the median thing. Okay. Now just look here. The class is written, class accordingly written, and the frequency written. Okay. Or normally जब भी cumulative frequency, it is the less than cumulative frequency itself. Okay. So first one देखो less than कौन सा होगा, आपको कौन सा लिमिट लेना होगा? अपर लिमिट लेना होगा. ओके. लेस देन के अंदर, लेस देन के अपर लेना है. सो लेस देन 85 कितना जाना है? 4 है. लेस देन 105 कितना जाना है? दैट इज 5 plus 4. Okay. Or you do one thing only, add on this way. Okay. Normally the students are remembering this way. First को first लिखना है, फिर ये दोनों को add करो. That is 5 plus 4, that is how much? 9. फिर 13 plus 9 कितना होएगा? 22. Then 20 plus 22, that is how much? 42. 14 plus 14, 14 plus 42, 56. Then 8 plus 56, that is 64. And 4 plus 64, that is 68. Is that clear, this thing? So as discussed earlier, how many consumers are there? 68 consumers. See, at the last you're getting it 68. Okay. So that is how you know that your n value is correct. Okay. So this one is the n value. This one, okay, this is the n value. And also if you sum all this thing, that is also the n value. Okay. So here the total number of frequency. Now the first thing is you have to do is n upon 2. Okay. n value आपको 68 मिला है, और 68 को डिवाइड करो, किससे डिवाइड करना है? 2 से डिवाइड करो, एंड यू विल गेट इट हाउ मच? 34. नाउ देखो ये क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी के अंदर, क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी में 34 कहां पर आएगा? 4 के अंदर 34 आएगा? नो. 9 के अंदर 34 आएगा? नो. 22 के अंदर 34 आएगा? नो. ओके. 42 के अंदर 34 आ जाएगा? Yes. 42 के अंदर 34 will be coming. So you have to take this class. Okay. ये क्लास आपको लेना है. ओके. उसका उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी भी लेना है, बट क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी कहां का लेना है? उसके ऊपर वाले का लेना है. ओके. Remember this thing. This way you can remember it. Okay. From years we are doing it this way. You have to understand one thing. एक और बोल रहा हूं, 34. Okay, n by 2. n आपको 68 मिला. 68 divided by 2, you will get it 34. 34 4 के अंदर आ रहा है? नहीं. 9 के अंदर आ रहा है? नहीं. 22 के अंदर आ रहा है? नहीं. 42 के अंदर आ रहा है. So you have to take, this is the your median class. फ्रीक्वेंसी भी आपको ये लेना है, बट क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी कहाँ का लेना है? उसके ऊपर वाले क्लास का लेना है. दैट इज 22. You have to take as the cumulative frequency. Clear this much? Now, so you got n by 2 value, that is 34. L value ये देखो, ये क्लास के अंदर का L कितना है? 125. So 125 you're writing it. इसके अंदर फ्रीक्वेंसी कितना है? 20. So you're writing the frequency as 20. Cumulative frequency उसके ऊपर वाला, that is 22. So 22 you're writing it. And H value देखो 65 and 85. 85 minus 65. How much is the class size? That is 20. So H value is 20. Now median के अंदर, median का symbolize करते हैं M से. Mode you remember it is Z, and mean it is X and the bar, X bar. Okay. Now going into this median is equal to L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Okay. Remember normally आपने यहाँ पर आगे सब देखा, F के अंदर डिफरेंस था, मीन के अंदर क्या है? टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी. यू डोंट हैव टू राइट द टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी, रिमेंबर दैट थिंग. So median is equal to L plus L आपको 125, यहाँ से 125 writing it here. N upon 2 यहाँ पर डिवाइड किया तो 34 मिला, you are writing 34 here, minus CF यानी जो क्लास है उसके ऊपर वाले. Okay, CF that is 22. Then F is the model median class itself, that is 20. And H value यहाँ पर आपका class difference कितना? that is 20. So 20 you are writing here. 20 and 20 is directly cancelling. 125 plus 34 minus 12, 22 is what? 12. So 125 plus 12, that is 137 units. Is that clear, this thing? How to do? Hope you are able to understand it. Now the next question is important, and it is a different type, directly with the missing frequency. Now the median of the following distribution is 28.5. आपको बोला हुआ है median कितना है? 28.5. Okay, तो ये 28.5 है. The first thing you have to remember what? It is in between which class? Yes, 20 to 30. Okay, 20 to 30 के बीच में आता है आपका 28.5. So the first thing you have to remember is this is the median class. This is the median class and this is the frequency. 20 is the frequency. और उसके ऊपर जो होएगा वो होएगा cumulative frequency. If you get this much, then your thing is over. Okay, you can do the sum. Now here also the total frequency is also given. It is how much? 60. Okay, so now we'll look into answer. You have to find out the value of x and y. Now look in the answer. So 0 to 10 and all the series, the class we have written and the frequency we have written. Now the median is 28.5. Cumulative frequency, how to find out? That is first का first लिखना है, 5 लिख दिया, फिर x plus 5, फिर 20 plus 5 plus x. So 20 plus 5 is what? 25, 25 plus x. फिर क्या करना है? 15 plus 25, 15 plus 25 is 40, 40 plus x. फिर y and 40 plus x. So 40 plus x plus y. उसके बाद 5 plus 40 plus x plus y. So 5 plus 40 कितना आएगा? 45. 45 plus x plus y. Now, but in the question आपको already दिया हुआ है कि total number कितना है? 60 है. So this thing is equal to 45 plus 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Okay, and ये 45 को उस तरफ लेके जाएंगे तो माइनस देगा, तो x plus y is equal to कितना होएगा? 15. Exactly this much. So x plus y का आपको एक इक्वेशन मिल गया और उसको इक्वेशन नंबर 1 दिया. Now you have got the median is what? 28.5. 28.5 already I told you. 28.5 किसके बीच में आएगा? 20 और 30 के बीच में. So the as it is, okay, we are making it 28, 20 to 30 class है. Cumulative frequency कहाँ जाएगा? ऊपर जाएगा. Okay, so most of the time, most of the students don't know where to find out this 28.5 से कौन सा CF लेंगे, कौन सा F लेंगे. That is the most common mistake is done. Remember 28.5 बोला है तो कौन से क्लास में है देखो, वो क्लास के सामने जो होगा frequency, that is the frequency, और cumulative frequency कहाँ आएगा? उसके above वाला. Okay, so इसके अंदर L का वैल्यू कितना होएगा? 20, correct. F का वैल्यू कितना होएगा? 20. एंड CF का वैल्यू क्या आएगा? 5 plus x. और h का वैल्यू देखो 0 to 10, so 10 minus 0, it is what? 10 difference is there. So all the values you got it. Clear this thing? Now you have to just substitute the values. So m is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into h. अभी इसके अंदर m का वैल्यू आपको ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है कितना है? 28.5. so 28.5 you are writing here. L वैल्यू लोअर लिमिट आपको 20 मिला है प्लस n upon 2 आपको देखो, आपको क्वेश्चन में बोला हुआ है कि टोटल कितना है? 60 है, तो 60 आपका n है, तो 60 upon 2 that is how much? It is 30. So you are writing it here 30 minus CF का वैल्यू कितना है? 5 plus x. So minus 5 plus x upon F का वैल्यू आपको दिया हुआ है, it is 20. So 20 into h value is 10. So 0 and 0 is cancelling. पहले आपको L को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेके आना है. So 28.5 minus 20, that is 8.5. Then 30 minus 5 minus 5 over minus into plus, that is what? Minus. So minus x upon 20 into 10, 0 0 cancel, already said. Now 8.5 equal to 30 minus 5, it is 25 minus x upon 2. ये 2 का जाएगा ऊपर जाएगा. 8.5 into 2, that is 17 equal to 25 minus x. Okay, now what you do? Plus ये plus 25 को उस तरफ लेके जा रहे हैं. So 17 minus 25 is equal to minus 8 is equal to minus x. Minus and minus will what? Cancel it. So x is equal to कितना आ गया आपको? 8. X is equal to 8. So now in this equation you have already find out what? 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60 था, और वहां से आपको मिला x plus y is equal to कितना है? 15. So यहाँ पर आपने x का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे. x का वैल्यू 8 मिला. 8 plus y is equal to 15. So y is equal to what? 15 minus 8. So y is equal to 7. So this is how you are getting the y answer also. Is that clear, this thing? Okay. Now going into the so remember one more time. 28.5. So class is important. Class and the cumulative frequency. Next question. A life insurance agent found the following distribution of ages of 100 policyholders. Okay, so how many holders are there? 100 policyholders are there. Now calculate the median age. You are needed to find the median age if the policies are given only to person having 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So 18 से 60 years है. Okay, now look here, it is below 20, below 25. Same as it is less than 20, less than 25, less than 30, less than 35, less than 40, going on. Okay, now here look here, how much is the difference? 5 differences there. Okay, and the CF is given. Don't think that it's the frequency. It is the CF is given. You have to find out the frequency. That is the question here. Okay, you are given the CF. You have to find out the frequency. So याद रखो, सिंपल वेज में याद रखो. आंसर कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हो सिंपल वे में याद रखो. पहले आपको बिलो 20, लेस देन में कौन सा लिमिट देंगे आपको? लेस लोअर लिमिट देंगे, अपर लिमिट देंगे. Yes, correct. It will be given the upper limit. Upper limit will be given. So ये आपका 20 है, तो 20 से कितना पीछे जाना है? यहाँ पर देखो 5 का डिफरेंस है. 20 के बाद 25, 30, 35, 5 का डिफरेंस है. So it will be going where till 15. बट आपको क्वेश्चन में एक और चीज बोला है कि 18 से एज चालू हो रहा है, राइट? सो फर्स्ट के लिए खाली आप क्या लोगे? 18 to 20, देन इट विल बी व्हाट 20 to 25, फिर 25 to 30. So वैसे आपको क्लास मिल जाएगा, 25 to 30, 30 to 35 क्लास मिल जाएगा. उसके बाद आपको फ्रीक्वेंसी याद करना है. अभी देखो फ्रीक्वेंसी पाने के लिए देखो फर्स्ट माइनस सेकंड करेंगे कि सेकंड माइनस फर्स्ट करेंगे. सिंपल सबट्रैक्शन रूल है, बड़ा माइनस छोटा. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर लेस देन में क्या होगा? इट विल बी सेकंड माइनस द फर्स्ट, एंड देन थर्ड माइनस द सेकंड, फोर्थ माइनस द थर्ड. So that is how you have to do. So we'll look into the answer. So the first thing is 18 to 20. 15 लिखा है तो अभी चलेगा, but it is better to write 18. 18 to 20, then 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, and it is going on. CF भी आप ऐसे जैसे क्वेश्चन में था वैसे ही लिख दो. Okay, CF जैसे था. Then फर्स्ट CF के अंदर फर्स्ट CF और F क्या होता है? सेम ही होता है हमेशा, लेस देन और फ्रीक्वेंसी में. सो 2 and 2 यू आर राइटिंग. देन उसके बाद नेक्स्ट में क्या आएगा? 6 minus 2 कितना होएगा? 4. सेकंड माइनस फर्स्ट, so 6 minus 2 4, फिर 24 minus 6, that is what 18, then 45 minus 24, that is what 21. So in that way you minus it, each you minus it upwards, you'll get the answer. Is that clear this much? Okay, now going into the next. Okay, अब आपको n का वैल्यू आपको पता है कितना मिला है? 100. नाउ 100 upon 2, 100 upon 2 कितना होता है? 50, राइट? सो 50 इज देयर. नाउ 50 आपको देखो क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी के अंदर देखना है. 52 के अंदर आता है? नहीं. 56 के अंदर आ रहा है? नहीं. 50 24 के अंदर आ रहा है? नो. 50 45 के अंदर आ रहा है? नो. 50 78 के अंदर आ रहा है? Yes, it is coming inside 78. So you have to take this class, right? You are needed to take this class, and the frequency we will be taking this, but cumulative frequency कहाँ जाएंगे? अपने ऊपर जाएंगे. Okay, if it is on, if this table was on the third, it will always be in the same way itself. Okay, so class and the frequency will be taking the same, but cumulative frequency will be taking the upper one. Clear है? Now the thing is simple. n upon 2 यानी आपने already ये 50. L का वैल्यू क्या होएगा? 35, the lower limit. F value is 33. CF value is 45. H value, the class difference is how much? Class size is what? 5. Now substituting the value. So M is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Remember, it is CF above and bottom it is F. So L plus, L का वैल्यू कितना है आपको? 35 plus n upon 2 is what? 50. Then minus CF value is how much? 45 upon F. F is what? 33 into H value is 5. Then doing the same way, 50 minus 45, 5 are there, 5 upon 33 into 5. Then 33 is the LCM. So either you can divide 25 divided by 33, direct divide करके point में आंसर लाके आप कर सकते हो. Okay, 0.76 it will come, or you can do it what? Take the LCM and do it. Okay, whichever you find it easy, do in that way. So 33 are taking the LCM, then 1 into how much was 33? So 33 times. So 35 into 33, 1155 plus 33 is into how much is 33? That is 1. So 25 into 1, that is 25. So 1155 plus 25 equal to 1180 upon 33. ये दोनों को डिवाइड करोगे आपको कितना मिलेगा? 35.6. So 35.76. Either you do this way or the other one also. Both are easy itself. Okay. Now this is the thing. This is the third question. Now after this, I want you to do the fourth question, 4, 5, and 6. You have to do it alone. The fourth one, remember 118 to 126, then it is 127. So there is a class, it is not continuous. You have to make it continuous. Continuous करने के लिए क्या होगा? Plus 0.5 and minus 0.5. Then it is the same way itself. ये आपको frequency दिया हुआ है. You have to find out the less than cumulative frequency first, and then the same way, n by 2, and find out the rest of the thing. Okay. Now in the fifth and sixth one, 5th, 6th, 7, it is the same way itself. There's only the changes in the number, nothing more is there. Okay. Now example 7 and example 8 you are needed to do. Example 8 is very important question. Okay, as we did the second question. Okay, two missing frequencies in the same way. यहाँ पर भी देखो, the median of the following is 525. 525 is the what is the median. Okay, so 525 is the median. तो 525 देखो कौन सा क्लास के अंदर आएगा? 500 to 600. So remember it is this class. तो ये आपका lower limit, 500 will be a lower limit. ये आपका frequency, फिर cumulative frequency जो आप calculate करोगे वो होगा. Okay, so look here, 500 to 600. This ये आपका this much 500 to 600, 20 will be the class, and 36 plus x will be your cumulative frequency. And then in the same way, see here, and then the h value is there. Then you are needed to do substitute it and find out the x and y value. Okay, so same method it has been done. Okay, so you're needed to do example 7, 8, and also the exercise 14.3. Okay, so thank you very much. And also I'll be giving you one worksheet also. You are needed to do that also. Thank you.